Hello YouTube, good morning, and I am Arka. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to share with you the unboxing of Rynox Tornado Pro 3 gloves. I will share with you why I have chosen these Rynox Tornado Pro 3 gloves. So let's go straight and see the unboxing first, and then the specifications and the reason why I have chosen Rynox Tornado Pro 3 for my touring, short ride and daily commuting on Kawasaki Ninja 300. You can see here is the gloves. So it has costed me 3,150 rupees. Inside the packet, what else we are getting? Inside the packet there are few advertisement or know-how of the gloves. So here it is written pull to try. So it means we need to pull it like this, and then again we need to pull another one like this. And here we are getting user guide. So I will show you what is there in the user guide. So in the user guide there are few advice regarding size, and there is one measurement table, how to take care of the gloves, how to store the gloves when not in use, and then Rynox is thanking you for choosing their product, and their details regarding CE certification and how you will be accustomed with these gloves. Along with that their contacts, email ID, all this. So now I will go straight to the gloves. So you can see these are the gloves, and I have chosen the size, you can see, small, and this is the reason why I have chosen these gloves. CE level 1 certification. These gloves entirely is CE certified, not only these sliders but the entire gloves is CE certified. Now there are few more advantage for which I thought this will be the best gloves. So starting from the front, I will talk about its design, that Rynox is written on the top. After that there is some blue lining, since I am using Kawasaki Ninja 300 and the color of my bike is blue, so I have chosen this blue lining. And then comes this knuckle protector. This is very good, it feels good also. After that, if we move further, we will get some protective tab or TPU tab, and then there are some foam insert on the fingertips to keep your fingertips safe in case of an accident. These two fingertips are enabled for touch, so if you need to navigate your mobile, then you can easily do that when you are wearing the gloves with the help of this fingertip. And I will tell you one thing, their touch accuracy is just excellent, just excellent. You can even type with this fingertip also, no need to put out the gloves to type some message or enter some destination in your GPS device. It comes with KNOX protector. So I have never seen any gloves with KNOX protector on palm. So these two sliders are from KNOX certified, you can see. And I will tell one thing, that this portion which helps to grip the handle is damn good. If I roll my finger or if I scrap my finger, then only I feel that it's some kind of sticky, or I can clearly feel the resistance. So whenever you are gripping your handle after wearing these gloves, then you will feel what is the difference of this material. So this is gem, I will tell that this is gem. And it has velcro, the fastening strap, and along with that it comes with elastic also to adjust your fitting as a snack fit. So I will now wear these gloves and will show you how it feels to wear, how much comfortable it is. So it is extremely comfortable, you can see. And I will try to wear the another one, and I will try to show you if there is any difficulty to wear the gloves when you have another gloves put on your another hand. So I will tell you that putting on the gloves with one hand that already has gloves is extremely easy. So it's not a difficult job at all, and it feels damn light. I am feeling as if I am not wearing anything on my hand. There is no weight, and the fit and finish is just good, too good. It has mesh for proper air ventilation, but on the palm side it has leather. Then it has good gripping technology, KNOX sliders, and on finger joint there are protective TPU tab HD foam insert on the fingertip and touch enabled. So there is no issue at all. So now I will show you how the touch works with this fingertip. Here is my phone. So I will try to unlock the screen. For example, I will try to write something. I wanna write like hi Rynox. See how comfortable I can write. You can understand it touch sensitivity. It's too good. Whenever you are surfing net, or if you have to enter some destination, like I will open map. Here I can write like Rynox. See, this is super cool. There is no difficulty at all. No false instances of this touch activity after wearing these gloves. So overall I will give full marks to these gloves, provided the price 3,150. But you have to keep in mind that these gloves comes in CE level 1 certification entirely, not only to these KNOX sliders, but the entire gloves is CE level 1 certified. So it has very good cut resistance, very good abrasion resistance, very good impact resistance, and overall the protection is quite satisfying. I hope you have liked my video on unboxing and specification and the reason why I have chosen Rynox Tornado Pro 3 gloves for my riding Kawasaki Ninja 300. If you have any question, any query, feel free to put it in the comment box below. I will be happy to answer all your queries. And as usual, I will request you, if you like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Tap on the notification icon and click on all option to be notified regarding my latest uploads, and share the video as many times as possible with your nearest and dearest ones, friends, family members. And at last, thank you for watching till the end.